Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export the selected calendar on the Calendars application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application Calendars, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Calendars application. Enter to open up the application. And now let's click on a calendar on the side navigation menu. So we can click on Home or Work. Let's just click on Home. And now in order for us to export the calendar, what we will do is go to the taskbar. Go to File, go to Export, and Export. We can say Calendar Archive, but for this tutorial, we are looking to export. And we will be exporting the file home.ics to the desktop. Export, and there we go. The file home.ics has been exported. We can import this to the calendar, but that's for another tutorial. So we can now quit calendar. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.